This whole thing that's happening with Russia and Ukraine, it's a horrible thing, and I'm not happy with President Putin at all.
In a chilling response to Trump's warning, Russia launched a record 741 drones and missiles on Ukraine overnight, targeting the country's western heartland with unprecedented ferocity. The city of Lutsk, located just 90 kilometers from NATO member Poland, bore the brunt of the barrage, turning the normally quiet western region into a sudden front line. Ukraine's Air Force says it managed to intercept 718 aerial targets. That includes nearly 300 Shahed drones brought down by firepower and over 400 neutralized via electronic warfare. But 6 Kinzhal hypersonic missiles, some of the fastest in the Russian arsenal, broke through Ukraine's defenses, exposing a critical vulnerability: the shortage of US-supplied Patriot systems. Russia's defense ministry claims it struck military infrastructure with precision, but officials in Ukraine say debris fell across 14 regions and 4 impact sites have been confirmed. The timing is no coincidence. The largest Russian air assault to date comes just as the US resumed military aid to Ukraine, including a limited supply of Patriot interceptors.
We're going to send some more weapons. We have to. They have to be able to defend themselves. They're getting hit very hard now. They're getting hit very hard. We're going to have to send more weapons. Yeah, defensive weapons primarily, but they're getting hit very, very hard.
President Zelensky called the attack a clear message that while the world talks of ceasefires and peace, Russia is answering with missiles. With Moscow's recent offensive, it has redrawn the map of threat, and it now points deep into western Ukraine.